In the quiet expanse of the Andromeda Frontier, I found myself drawn to a story a tale of survival, unity, and an unexpected Christmas miracle. What happened on mining station K7 that Christmas Eve was more than just a technical triumph? It was a testament to the power of connection, even in the most unlikely places. I'm Captain Lyra Veen, a historian of the cosmos and a seeker of forgotten tales. Let me take you there, to the brink of a black hole where hope and harmony triumphed. On a night that could have ended in darkness forever, they found the true meaning of peace. But something is about to go very wrong. Evelyn Carter, the station's lead engineer, had always thrived under pressure. Kyle Zethan, a brilliant alien engineer from the neighboring planet, was the first to recognize the catastrophe brewing across the stars. The station's gravity stabilizer is failing and time is running out. Panic spreads as the crew faces a desperate choice: abandon the station or find a way to fix the unfixable.
Systems crashing. We need a fix now, or we're all gone.
Orbit destabilizing. Core systems cannot hold. We must act immediately.
The engineering team worked frantically, their calculations confirming the worst. The station was slipping past the point of no return. Every system they tried to stabilize failed under the immense gravitational stress. Kyle knew the odds were against them. Nothing in their database could handle the sheer force of the black hole. It was Kyle who proposed a daring idea, using alien gravitational technology to counterbalance the collapse. At first, the human crew was hesitant. The technology was untested and required trust in their alien neighbors. The first attempt failed spectacularly, sending the station spiraling closer to disaster. But desperation turned into collaboration as Evelyn and Kyle shared their knowledge and united the two technologies. The temporary fix bought them precious minutes, but everyone knew it wouldn't hold for long. In a final act of faith, they reached out to Kyle's people, sharing their dire need for advanced support. Kyle's people answered the call, arriving with the tools and expertise to stabilize the station. Together, they built a solution neither could have achieved alone, saving the station from certain doom. The station team landed on Kyle's homeworld, stepping into a place of vibrant beauty and untold mysteries.
Thank you for saving us. Your courage and wisdom gave us a chance we didn't have alone.
In saving your station, we saved both your people and ours. Unity is our true strength.
Evelyn looked at Kyle with a trust she never thought she'd feel for someone so different from herself. And Kyle looked at Evelyn with a newfound respect for her courage and resilience. In the aftermath of crisis, a bond was forged between them, one that transcended words. What began as survival grew into something far greater, a bridge between two worlds. Their bond deepened as they learned from each other's strengths, building trust and understanding.
Humans, you are no longer strangers. Today, you are family. Welcome to our home.
Kale, you're my sister, now, forever.
This was more than an alliance. It was the start of a shared future between two worlds. In the hearts of the young, hope for a united galaxy was already taking root. Their unity proved that differences were not barriers, but opportunities to grow stronger together. And so, on this Christmas among the stars, two worlds became one, bound by trust, respect, and the promise of peace. It was their unity that made the impossible possible, bringing two worlds together in a shared mission. By embracing their differences, they discovered solutions neither could have imagined alone. Sharing knowledge bridged the gap, turning unfamiliar methods into a seamless collaboration. Trust became the foundation of their work, solidifying their partnership in the face of danger. Clear communication allowed their ideas to flow, merging two minds into one effort. Skepticism gave way to belief as results began to show, proving their partnership was the key. By combining human innovation and alien ingenuity, they created something entirely new. Together they proved that many hands and many minds could overcome even the greatest challenge. In learning from each other, they gained not only knowledge, but mutual respect. Their unity shone brightest in the face of crisis, as every second counted. They broke down boundaries, realizing they were stronger as one team. Under immense pressure, their resilience and teamwork never faltered. Trust wasn't just spoken, it was lived, moment by moment, action by action. Their shared goal united them, turning desperation into determination. Together, they pushed the boundaries of what they thought possible. Every small victory brought them closer to success, strengthening their bond. With steady hands and focused minds, they made the final adjustments as the clock ticked down. In the toughest moments, they found hope in acts of kindness. Even language barriers couldn't stop their determination to work together. United, they saved the station, proving that their bond was the key to survival and success. As the crisis faded, the station became a beacon of unity, ready to celebrate a new chapter together. They shared their traditions, blending old and new in a celebration of unity. A grand feast brought them together, a testament to the richness of diversity. Music became a universal language, weaving their voices into one melody. In the spirit of giving, they exchanged tokens of gratitude and friendship. They honored those who had brought them together, proving that true heroes come from understanding and collaboration. The station became a symbol of hope, connecting two worlds in a shared celebration. In the quiet moments, they reflected on how far they had come and what they had gained. When they brought light, its glow symbolized the light they had found in each other. Laughter echoed through the halls, a reminder that unity starts with the youngest heart. This Christmas, Earth's traditions became part of something greater, shared with friends from across the stars. A toast was raised, not just to survival, but to the bonds that made it possible. Compassion knows no boundaries, spanning worlds and reaching every heart. In understanding, they found strength. In unity, they discovered peace. This Christmas, let us carry the spirit of unity, compassion, and understanding to every corner of the universe.